Hey guys, Drew Hinley here, Upstate 208. It is mid-November, which means snow has begun to fall up in the mountains around Coeur d'Alene, and therefore everybody's got the itch.
705 Sunset Drive. That'll be a good time. Baby, no ice, paying no mind.
I've seen a few guys out riding already. That being said, it is danger zone status out there. And so today what I wanted to do was kind of go over what I've done thus far. I was going to go over the gear that I have been using, just kind of give you guys an overview of what my setup looks like. All right, guys, I've got all of my gear set out here. At least I think all of it, all the stuff that that I could think of. First off, and probably your biggest expense aside from your snowmobile, is an avalanche airbag. Check it out. Rescue items. I've got my probes. I've got my shovel that I keep in there. I keep a little tiny first aid kit. This is obviously not going to repair any major damages, but I've got some tape in here and some alcohol swabs and some gauze and band-aids, and you know, this is basically going to get a cut, you know, taped up and dealt with enough to get back to the truck. Over here I've got my communication. I got the BCA link. Just about everybody has one of these. They've got a new one out now. Garmin GPS. Avalanche transceiver. I've just got a cheap little Panasonic point and shoot. GoPro session. I picked up a drone. This is what it looks like folded out. Been eagerly awaiting a set of decals, graphics that I ordered online for this guy right back here. UPS just came by and dropped this off, and I unboxed it, and holy smokes, there's like 5,000 pieces to this thing, so check this out. Yeah, lots and lots and lots of little tiny pieces. There is just a bunch going on here that's not even. So, bajillion different pieces. I will do a little bit on installing them. There's lots of other great videos on the internet. I always go with the wet method when I'm doing graphics. I'm gonna proj out, so stay tuned and we'll keep doing this thing. This guy, little spritz.
I've been waiting for too long, 'cause living with you is like a...
First piece, done. Sweet. It's gonna look sweet.
Don't care about anyone, you know that I'm better off.
Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And guys, before you know it, we're gonna be transitioning out of the shop here and up to the mountain, which is what we all really want to see, is riding sleds in the mountain, challenging ourselves, having fun with your buddies, and ultimately getting better on the sled, progressing in the sport, and pushing ourselves to do things that we just didn't think we could do when we first started. I'm super stoked.
I know